What you doing?
Don't move.
Why I'm not to move?
Because don't move.
Why?
Because I'm trying to get the stomach.
Yeah, but you look at my stomach from down, not up. Look at my stomach from down. Tell her you have to lift up down here. Tell her look at my stomach from here.
Yes, the baby drink from.
Yes, that's where the baby drink from.
Baby.
Oh. Hi faves, morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I'm getting Tyler ready for school this morning. It's the weekend, it's Friday, it's the last day of school, so I'm sure he's pretty excited that it's the last day of school. Tomorrow, no school, he'll get to sleep in bed. Babe has been away from us for the past few days. Babe has been in Paris, so it's just me holding it down until he gets back, but he's coming back today, so that's exciting because Tyler's been missing him so much. Yeah, but hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys stay in love and staying blessed and staying positive and minding your own business and just doing what you have to do to get through each day. Just stay positive about whatever it is that you have to do, and just be good and keep a smile on your face no matter what circumstances you're going through. Turn around and say, morning faves.
Morning, baby.
What we doing?
Look at this girl.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just here getting my boy ready. Come, take your clothes off. Getting my boy ready so that we can head out of this house in a few minutes. Ty, don't do that.
That's hurt.
I know. I wanted it to hurt. Silly.
But it hurt.
It's supposed to hurt. Look how you do my clothes. Hi, with chocolate. Hi, look. That's not funny. With the chocolate up more.
Yes,
Look at your hand. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I am gonna get on with my day. What crazy do being going to Paris?
Yeah.
You're so funny.
Nana.
Yes, you are.
Nana.
Come. Come,
Come,
Ty, you're gonna be late. Yes, Dana. What's that supposed to be? What you doing? You're a dinosaur. You're a lion. Who's silly?
You,
Mama. Who's silly? Go ahead. No, it's you. You silly. Come. You're the silly one.
Mama,
Yes.
that is for
your
And
hand in.
for up school too.
Yes. Put your foot in. Come.
Yes, down. We are down school.
Yes.
Oh, we are up school. We are up school.
Give me a kiss.
We are,
Give me a kiss. Mwah.
we are up school, Mama. We are up school. Mama,
Yeah.
we are up
Come, put your
school.
socks. Take your hand out my clothes and put your socks on.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
so that I can tell Fifth.
What you want to tell Faith?
Can we put the camera here so
They're seeing you. They're right there. They're seeing you.
No, it's like I can.
They're hearing you too.
So I can see I'm doing the mattress dry set. Is that I mean? What are these?
Gel for your hair.
No, it's jam.
No, it's gel.
No, it's lemon honey.
Ooh, you're funny.
It's lemon honey.
You see, you're the same one.
It's lemon honey.
Oh, come, let me finish your hair. You're
Oh,
so funny.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
so that
Come, let's get shoes on. Come tell Faves bye, guys. See you later.
bye guys, see you later.
You guys, this is my quickie breakfast this morning. I made some plain fritters and I have some leftover ackee and saltfish in the fridge and I just warmed that up and breakfast is ready. Oh my gosh, you guys. You know when you eat and you eat way too much? Not even that you eat too much, is that you eat and you feel okay and then you drink and you drink too much. That's where I'm at right now. So I had lunch. I made I warm up some banana dumplings that I have and I put that with some corned beef. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here. You guys, showing you a little glimpse of lunch before I dig in. I'm hungry, so hungry. And this is what I find, so that's what lunch is gonna be. So I had that. I felt okay after having it. And then I was thirsty. I said, okay, let me drink something. And then I drank and drank and drank and drank and couldn't stop drinking, and now I feel so uneasy. But anyway, I have a mission to do today. The mission for today is to clean my house. To clean and organize as much as I can. I have laundry to fold. I have dishes to put in the dishwasher. I have pots to wash. I have house to sweep. I have garbage to take out to the bin because my husband is not here, so I have to go to the bin, but that's okay. I don't mind. So that's my mission today. So you guys gonna come along and clean with me a bit. So drum roll and let's go. Get this house fresh for my mans, for my guys, for my man, my boy, for my husband, so he can relax and rest this weekend and we won't have to do any big cleaning, just sweep here and there this weekend. So when I do it today, then I won't have to do it tomorrow or Sunday because it's Friday. So it will be a good jump start to Saturday and Sunday. So let's do this. Let's see where I'm gonna start first. I always like to start at the kitchen first, so let's do the kitchen. I think the kitchen is, for me, once the kitchen is clean, then everywhere else kind of fall in place after that. And of course, I can't clean without music. Typical Jamaicans. And you see how my stomach look extra big. Jeez. Where in God's world am I 16 weeks here? No, sir. Anyway, you guys. Me and Alex are going to boogie down today. Alexa, play music by Shensia. You guys know I can dance now. You know, see how me sexy and me have a little cute face. Nothing them not over me. Some girl watch me style. Hey. Nothing them not over me. Okay, you guys, I'm almost finished the entire house. The only place I have leave is this middle room, which is full of laundry. But time is winding down and it's almost time for me to go pick up Tyler from school. So I am going to grab a shower and go pick him up from school. And when I get back home, I can always do this and then I'll be finished for the day. You guys, this is what dinner is looking like tonight. I did some chicken legs in the oven, and I had some rice in the fridge, so I just warmed that up, and voila, dinner is ready. And Tyler is going to eat right now because he's hungry, so he's gonna have dinner and watch his tablet a bit. Look who is home. Oh, you want Blippi? Okay. Can you say hi, Faves?
Hi, Faves.
Look, they're seeing you. What you eating?
Rice.
And what?
And cheese.
There's no cheese in there. You're so silly. You're so funny like your papa. You're so funny. Papa is coming home soon.
And then I want some chicken.
So funny. What's so funny?
Mama?
Yes.
Mama?
Yes.
I want some chicken.
You're so silly.
I want some chicken.
The chick, look at your mouth drooling. You're drooling for the chicken? Yes? You're so funny. Alright, let's eat. Gosh, you guys, I got so much done today, but I accomplished everything that I wanted to do. Every single thing that I set out to do today, I accomplished that, so that is good. But my end result is the back pain is slowly coming on, and I think that's my sign to say, hey girl, it's time for you to shut it down. So I'm finished, but I wanted to stay up until babe gets home tonight. Don't know if that's gonna happen, but I am going to put Tyler to bed and just lay down until probably babe come home or until I fall asleep. So I just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching for today's vlog. I'm gonna let Tyler do the notification shout out, and maybe you guys will see babe tonight. Maybe you guys won't see him any at all, because I don't know what time he's coming home. His flight was delayed because somebody on the plane was sick and they had to return to the departure to get medics for the person. But he did message me to say that medics came and they clear and they're gonna take off, so he's on his way. Anyway, Tyler, Ty, come here. Hurry! Tyler is also tired. Look at his eyes. Do the notification shout out.
Notification shout out to go to
Marilyn.
Marilyn Cowie
And
and
Paula Walters.
for you like this tiger.
He always be adding something to somebody's name. Anyway, you guys, probably it's just me and Tyler tonight. Oh, you come on, not. Tell them bye. Come. Okay, the battery had died, so I had to go and change the battery. Say bye, face.
Bye,
So
please.
see you guys tomorrow.
I am crying because I want to say bye, please.
Yeah, you say bye. Mama went and get the battery. He was really sad when the battery died because he thought I turned off the camera on him. But it's the battery died. Now I'll get a new one. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Look what he's doing. Bye, guys. Tyler, leave my clock. What you doing?
Don't move.
Why I'm not to move?
Because don't move.
Why?
Because I'm trying to get the stomach.
Yeah, but you look at my stomach from down, not up. Look at my stomach from down. Tyler, you have to lift up down here. Tyler, look at my stomach from here.
Yes, the baby drink from.
Yes, that's where the baby drink from.
Baby.
Oh. You love baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. I tell you guys that he just loves my
Mama.
stomach. Yes. Yes, you tell I want to expose me on camera. He's hilarious. Anyway, you guys, we're out for tonight. And if we don't get to come on, we just gonna tell you guys thanks for watching. And I won't give you guys any expression for tonight. We're just gonna end the vlog here and tell you guys, wait, love you guys.
I want a sister. and then he's for the feet, and then he said, "Mom, he the pizza," and then
Stop jumping on my bed.
and then I eat at canteen.
Okay. Alright. You finish?
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in our next vlog with Babe. Bye guys.